Not everything is meant to be seen. Some things are meant to be experienced. Pavilion of Scent invites visitors into a sensory journey inspired by the dove orchid, exploring its unseen qualities through space, atmosphere, and scent. This installation is inspired by the biological system of the dove orchid. Rather than replicating its form, we explored how the orchid grows, adapts, and interacts with its environment. Its layered petals, porous surfaces, fragrance, and rainforest habitat are translated into a spatial experience through woven bamboo structures that filter light, air, and shadow, creating a space that feels organic, breathable, and alive. The journey begins within wood, reflecting the orchid's epiphytic nature, growing through attachment and coexistence. Warm, woody, musky tones create a grounded and stable atmosphere, introducing the beginning of the spatial journey. As the journey continues, the atmosphere becomes softer and more intimate. Inspired by the orchid's secondary fragrance, the honey room introduces a warm vanilla scent that evokes sweetness, comfort, and quiet intimacy. The final space reflects the orchid's natural rainforest habitat. As the tallest structure within the installation, the rainforest room creates a greater sense of openness and immersion. Cool air, earthy scents, and filtered light evoke the atmosphere of a humid tropical rainforest, completing the sensory journey. Throughout the process, the installation evolved through experimentation, collaboration, and material exploration. One of the main challenges was adapting bamboo weaving to the organic structure while maintaining flexibility, consistency, and spatial continuity. Each woven layer was carefully arranged to preserve the sense of porosity and movement within the space. Pavilion of Scent is not a literal representation of the orchid, but an interpretation of its intrinsic qualities. Visitors move beyond observation, experiencing space through layered sequences of light, scent, texture, and atmosphere. Through this journey, the orchid is not only seen, but felt, sensed, and most importantly, remembered.